Trailers for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. Hey friends, this is the Miss Wolfie from Algonquin Park at Canis Bay Lake, and we're going to make spatchcock chicken in the Dutch oven that was sent to me from a lovely friend all the way from Ohio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my chicken in here and get it ready to go. Okay, here's my Dutch oven. Now, what you're going to need, we're doing this really simple, is you're going to need a quart of chicken broth. And what I have here is a cup and a half of basmati rice and a cup of mixed vegetables. That's onions, carrots, and celery, and they're dehydrated. That's just the easiest way to do things. Okay, now I know this is a seasoned Dutch oven. Thank you, dear. But I still want to put a knob of butter in the bottom because, well, everything's better with butter, right? Now, what I did was I did my chicken in advance and just put it on a piece of parchment paper and froze it in this pie plate, so it should just pop. Look at that. Look at that, Howard. Right in the Dutch oven. Just like that. Just like I'd planned it. Okay, we're just going to set this into our charcoal here. Just like that. And then Papa's going to build a small fire on top because we don't want to smother it in coals yet because we do have more ingredients to add. So by the time that wood burns down and makes some coals, we'll be able to add our next ingredients. So I can hear it sizzling. So in about a half an hour, we're going to knock that stuff off and we're going to put our other ingredients in. Okay, so Daddy's going to take it off the fire because we hear it at just a sizzling, and it's been on there about a half an hour, eh, dear? Yeah, that's a good idea because we don't want to put it on the plastic tablecloth. All right, take the lid off that. Oh my goodness. All right, we got to get this puppy out of here so we can put the rest of the ingredients in because it's sitting on a trivet and we want that trivet out of there. It's going to be tricky, but we'll do it. I don't think I was recording. I wasn't. Show the, sorry folks. We took the trivet out and we put the broth in with the juices from the chicken, the onion, and the rice, and the dehydrated vegetables. And now it's going back on the fire. And we're going to go for a swim or something because I'm dying here. It's a little overdone.
Looks good to me.
Well, get it out of there because that frying sound is the rice burning. Okay, folks, I'm inside the coach. That looks beautiful and juicy. I think the rice is a loss. So I'm going to whip up some pasta salad. Is there any savable rice in there?
In the center.
Oh, not enough though, eh? I'll go onion there. And there's Daddy's half chicken dinner and my quarter chicken dinner. This is where we leave ya. Yes, folks, don't underestimate the power of hot cast iron. This cooked at much higher temperature than it would have in my oven. So I'm going to say 20 minutes for your chicken inside, and then your dehydrated vegetables and your broth and your rice, and then 25 minutes. Maximum. Absolute maximum. You leave Daddy alone. Okay, dear. I think the rice is flavored with a bit burn, but I tasted the chicken. I really liked it, so.
Awesome.
Awesome. All right, we're going to watch a movie now, folks, because when you get to be our age and you have a motor coach, when being bohemian outside is no longer fun, you come in and watch a movie. Take care, God bless. In air conditioning. Take care, God bless.